This is Yarn Art jeans. Crazy. Just got it. I bought it off Amazon. All right. Oh, and by the way, I'm Julie. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. So, as I was just saying, I just got this from Amazon. It's Yarn Art jeans. Crazy. This is a 50-gram ball, or 1.76 ounces, 160 meters, or 170, go 5 yards. This is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. Love the colors on that. So it does recommend an crochet hook, so that's what I have. Well, for knitting, okay, knitting needles is 3.5 millimeters, US 4. So I think I've dealt with this kind of yarn before. So I'm just going to use the whole ball up and make a simple scarf. So what we're going to do is chain 30, because it's a number dividable by 4 plus 2. Okay, I lied. You want to chain 31, because in the second chain from hook, ideally, I'm going to try going through, I hate going through the back loops, humps, but it will look better if you go through the back humps. We're going to chain 2, we're going to put 2 single crochets. All right, single crochet in the second chain from hook. The next one is a single crochet. And then the next one is double crochet. Wait a minute, I'm thinking offhand. I don't want, if we do want a number dividable by 4, not 4 plus 2, because we want to make it a 1 row repeat. Sorry about that. So I need to take off 2 chains. So I chained, so we want to chain. What I'm doing is a number dividable by 4, because we want to make it a 1 row repeat. So I should let me count my chains quick. All right, I'm back. I'm going to apologize also for background noise. So what I did was chained 29. So a number dividable by 4 plus 1, because that's the turning chain. And then again, second chain from hook is a single crochet. And I'm working in the back lumps. I also apologize that this is not an overhead tutorial type thing, because I don't have my equipment, which I will get, excitingly, tomorrow. So we're recording this, it's July 26th. I'm getting my stuff tomorrow. So anyway, I digress. All right, so we have 2 single crochets. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets. Then we're going to do 2 single crochets. 2 single crochets. And that's why working in the back hump could be a little hard, but it's worth it, because you get a nice, I don't know if you can see that, a nice edge on the bottom. So it's kind of worth it. All right, so after you do 2 singles double crochets, then you do double crochets. And then you just repeat that across, 2 single crochets and 2 double crochets. I'm going to do that. I'm going to finish this row, and then I will be right back. Okay, I finished my row, and we ended on 2 double crochets. Let me just repeat. This is a 1 row repeat. So you chain 1, 2 single crochets at the beginning of the row, 2 double crochets. Just 1 more repeat. You just repeat that across. So I'm going to keep going with this till we are done. So I don't expect this to be like, it's going to keep you warm scarf. It's going to be more of a decorative scarf. So I am going to, it is later on a Sunday, so I don't know if I'll get this done today. So I will be back when we are done for this. All right, so here we are several days later. Ball's almost empty, and we're only about halfway through a scarf. So I did buy another one off Amazon so I could finish this project. But yeah, liking how the pattern shows up. This, the alternating single and double leaves an interesting pattern, and it makes an interesting color work. So I really like it. I'm really gonna like this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, you'll need 2 balls for a scarf. So that is all up for this video. I'm gonna end the video here. So it is a cottony feel, so I'm not sure. This would be probably more for a decor. I mean, it might keep you warm, but not like a fluffy scarf. But it feels like a cotton blend. It looks like it drapes okay for a garment. So, and if you did like this video, give it a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. Then I will see you in my next video. Bye now.